Good morning, student. Today we will continue our previous chapter from geography, chapter number 6, hydrosphere. Hydrosphere means water. We have already discussed about the hydrosphere, what is the meaning of the hydrosphere, different types of oceans, and today we will study about the factors affecting the movement of ocean water. What is the factor that affects the movement of ocean waters? There is the two factor. That the first factor is that the temperature, and second one is salinity. And the temperature, how the effect it get heated up by the sun energy, like land also. The temperature of oceans decrease from the equator to the poles, and it also decrease with the increasing depth. It means when we go from the equator, that the temperature will be decrease. And the second one is that the salinity. What is the salinity? That it refers to the amount of salt in the grams present in 1000 grams of water. The average salinity of the ocean water is 35 gram, and you know that the Dead Sea is the high salinity. Next point is that the movement of ocean water. What is the movement of ocean water? For example, that the waves, tides, ocean currents are the different kinds of movement of the ocean water. And the first one is waves. When water on the surface of ocean rise and falls, alternately they are called waves. The number of ripples in water that a wave passes in 1 second is called the wave's frequency. And the next point is our that the tides. What is the tides? The tides occurs originate due to the gravitational pull of sun and moon. There is two types of tides. That the first one is high tide, and it is also called that the spring tide, and the next one is the low tides, and it is called that the neap tides. And next point is the ocean currents. What is the ocean currents? The movement of ocean water in a constant direction is termed as the ocean currents. Warm currents bring about warm temperature over land surface. The area where the warm and cold currents meet provide the best fishing ground of the world. It means that it is very suitable for the fishing. And the next topic is our that the significance of oceans and their movement. What is the significance? What is the importance of these movement of the oceans? Mainly, oceans are main sources of water vapors because of the large quantity of water on the earth. Ocean provides us a huge variety of minerals, and also these Water, big ocean provides the transportation facility, and due to this transportation all the country that the take a business like that, the import and export due to these water facilities on the earth. And they are also, you know, that the different types of water animal like that, mammals, reptiles, marine plants, etc. Ocean also provides natural link between the continent like that, the continent, you know, that the North America, South America, and also that the Africa, Europe, Australia, Asia, these all continents are linked by the these oceans. And you know that these ocean also used to generate electricity, and these electricity is very cheap. The meeting of warm and cold current result in the development of planktons. And what is the planktons? Planktons is a teeny form of plants and animals' life that serve as food for fish. It means the fish food is the plankton. Ocean current also helps in maritime table trade. Maritime means that the export and import. So today that the your this chapter is finished, and I will send you that the very short and detailed question answer, and you have to write all these question in your geography copies and also make a diagram. Okay, thank you.